What is up, YouTube? Today I want to share with you something that I personally developed. It's what I call the 95-90 rule. And if you can get past the 95-90 rule, you're going to succeed in affiliate marketing. It's just as simple as that. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's probably the biggest secret there is, and you're going to laugh when you hear what it is, but it really is probably the biggest and best secret you'll ever hear when it comes to success in affiliate marketing. It's all coming up in my review of Affiliate Marketing Magic. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull one successfully. Well, me and my Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my dose can be as stale as well. Sushi that's been sitting around for a while. Let's face it, it's really, really bad. Don't eat it. It'll make you sick. It gives me stomach aches when I eat that stuff. But anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. If you start for info products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, but really? Do you have to do that every time? Do you know how irritating that guy is? Seriously, he's so annoying. Can't stand the guy, but he keeps showing up in all my videos. Seriously, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it to my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos on healthy mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. See, Liz is a sweetheart. You know, I know she says the same thing every day also. You think I'll get angry at her, but I can't because she's a fellow New Yorker. How can I get angry at a fellow New Yorker? Now, Bart, you know, he's not a New Yorker, so I can get angry at him all I want. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for Affiliate Marketing Magic. It's a brand new course from my friend Dawood Islam. Now, basically what Dawood is doing here, he's going to teach you what is holding you back from a success in affiliate marketing. And I'm going to share with you probably the biggest secret there is when it comes to this, but I do want to tell you about my custom bonus before I get to that. See, Dawood is going to share with you some basic stuff that's, you know, for somebody like me, it's old hat, but for somebody like you, it's probably going to be really revelatory, something that's really going to make you say, wow, okay, yeah, I did not know this. This is cool. This is something that's going to help me. Okay, and it really is going to help you out a lot. But I'm going to share with you, first of all, in my custom bonus, I'm going to share with you something that's really going to help you out, because it helped me out when I was first getting started, when I wasn't as well known as I am now. I've done, what, about 15 launches now. I have a pretty big following. Thank you so much, by the way, for being a member of the tribe. I really do appreciate every single one of you, that you come here and you watch my videos and you see me joke around with Bart and with Liz Lemon and all that kind of stuff. You know, I really do appreciate it. But probably a lot of you are going to have trouble, even if you do follow what Dawood is teaching here. And I'm going to give you a big leg up in my own course, which is called the Income Formula. Some of you may have it already. If you do, there's going to be something in the bonus stock letting you go ahead and contact me to ask for an alternative to the Income Formula if you already have it, so that you can get something else, because I want you to get a bonus from me. That's just the way I roll. But the Income Formula, basically what I did was I put together a method of affiliate marketing that I call reverse launch jacking. And instead of the usual methods of making money, where the launch hacking, basically what that means is that you go out and you find a popular product that's about to launch. You go and put together a really good bonus for, you offer a great bonus, you basically are selling your bonus as you know, better than anybody else's bonus, and then you basically will pick up some crumbs from the gurus who are mailing out them to their massive list, and some people are going to go bonus shopping and saying, oh, well, maybe I'll get a better bonus somewhere else. And that's basically what launch jacking is. The trouble is that a lot of people do it, and frankly, a lot of bigger names will not approve you for a brand new launch if you're brand new yourself. So it doesn't really work as well as it once did. Maybe a few years ago it worked better. Reverse launch jacking, though, is a really, really cool method that I came up with that actually does work. And you're actually going to get guaranteed approval for certain products with with getting the income formula. It's included as a bonus when you pick up Affiliate Marketing Magic. Now, I do want to tell you, before I show you the members area, I'm going to share with you the single biggest secret there is when it comes to affiliate marketing. Seriously, there is nothing else that is going to make a bigger difference for you if you follow this rule. If you learn the 95-90 rule and you learn to get past the 95-90 rule, you're going to succeed. It's a virtual certainty. You will succeed if you get past the 95-90 rule, but most people will not get past my 95-90 rule. Okay, so you want to know what it is? I'm going to stop sharing the screen for a second because this is really important. I want you to hear this fully from me. Okay, the 95-90 rule. Okay, it's based on percentages. 95% of people who try to make money online will fail because they never ever start. Seriously, they just don't. Okay, you may think you started. You may think you started because you bought some courses and you watched some videos. Maybe you even bought your own domain name and started to put up a blog. Okay, and that's already something that a lot of people don't bother doing. Okay, the fact of the matter is that 95% of people never really put in any real effort to get started, and it is a business. Okay, this is an actual business. You can't treat it as something that you're going to do for once for 15 minutes and see money spinning out of your computer. It is a business. You have to treat it as a business. If you don't treat it as a business, you're never going to make money. Seriously, it's just not going to happen. Okay, you're not going to make money if you don't treat this as a business. And 95% of people never treat it as a business, never really get started with this business. Okay, now of the 5% of people who, and they have my respect, who really do make an effort, who put together a blog, they maybe even put together a product, they try to launch it, they do something, they go out there and do something. By the way, the biggest piece of advice I ever heard was from a man who calls himself Simple Spencer. He said to me that imperfect action is better than no action at all. And it's so true. But let me tell you about the 95-90 rule, because this is going to change your life if you follow this. If you don't follow this, then I can't help you. Okay, but if you follow the 95-90 rule, okay, and Affiliate Marketing Magic and the income formula will help you really get started if you are going to follow the 95-90 rules. Okay, remember, the first part, the 95 part, 95% of people will ignore my advice and will not start. Okay, they will buy more courses, they will spend more money, they will keep going and going and going. They will not get started. They will not go out and really put in the effort and say, I'm going to get up early, I'm going to stay up late. I know I have to go to work. I have to make money. In the meantime, I got to pay my bills. And they're not going to go ahead and say, you know what, instead of getting up at 7 o'clock in the morning or 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, and I'm going to commit that I'm putting in an hour in the morning, an hour in the evening. Okay, that's hard to do, and it's hard to do consistently. But if you can do that, if you can be consistent, you're ahead of 95% of other people who try to get into this business. Now, for the 5% of you who are actually going to take my advice and are actually going to go out and put in the effort, you're going to follow the course of Affiliate Marketing Magic, you're going to follow the income formula, you're going to learn both of them. Okay, you're going to go through them carefully and actually follow what Dawood and I teach you. For the 5% of you who will actually do this, because I know 95% of you won't do this. Okay, I'm stating a fact. 95% of you will not do this, period. Okay, and I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to be disparaging. This is just the reality. 95% of people will never do this. Of the 5% of you who do this, okay, 90% of you are going to fail. And it's not because of anything you did wrong. Well, actually, it's something that you're not going to do, okay? Of the 5% of you who do try, of the 95% who don't try, 5% will try, 90% of those are going to fail also. And the reason is because you're going to quit at the first roadblock. Okay, you're going to put together your first launch, it's going to be a flop. Okay, you're going to have a terrible sales page, you're not going to be able to recruit affiliates, whatever it is, and you're going to make one sale. You say, okay, it doesn't work, forget it, I can't do this. All right, and if you do that, you're going to have another flop. Okay, you're going to need to be part of the 90% who simply quit and say, okay, I tried, it doesn't work, I can't do this. Okay, and it's very, very easy to quit at that first roadblock, at that first failure. Okay, the 10% of those people, the 10% of the 5% who actually say, no, I'm not giving up no matter what, I'm going to make this work, they're the ones who become super gurus. They're the ones, the super affiliates. They're the ones who become someone like me or someone like Dawood who actually make a full-time living doing this kind of business. That is what you need to do. You need to get past the 95% of people who never get started. You need to get past the 90% of the 5% who quit at the first roadblock. Because I could have quit at the first roadblock. Trust me. I know from my personal experience that I had so many setbacks when I started this business. We literally had nothing. Okay, I didn't have a job. And that's probably, to be perfectly honest, even though I don't recommend this, that probably did help me because I had to succeed. I had no choice. I had to find a way to make a living. And, you know, we were at a point where our savings consisted of a jar of change. And at one point, the jar of change ran out of money. Okay. And literally, you know, I could not afford a $5 copay to go to the doctor. Okay. That was where we were. So don't tell me that it's difficult, you can't afford it, whatever. $5, I couldn't come up with $5 to go to the doctor. Okay. And change. I didn't have it. And we were behind our rent, we were behind on everything, but I kept going and I made it happen. All right. And that's what you need to keep in mind. If you keep that in mind, then let's go back to here. But I want to show this to you again. Pick this course up. Okay, get this course, get it with my own the income formula, because the income formula is going to give you a shortcut to success, but implement them, use them. Don't be the 95% who say, I'm buying, I'm buying, I'm buying, I'm buying, I'm buying, and then never do anything with it. Be the 5% who try, and be part of the 10% of those who are willing to do it no matter what, who will not give up. Okay, check out the members area. This is going to help you out, but you need to implement it. If you don't implement this, don't bother buying it because it's a waste of money. Okay, but if you're going to implement this, if you're actually going to say, Eric, I'm ready to succeed, this will let you succeed, period. End of story. Okay, go ahead and grab this one. Okay, seriously, grab this one. Because if you are willing to succeed, if you're ready to do what it takes, you will succeed. But you need to be part of that rarefied group, the 10% of the 5% who actually are willing to do it no matter what. Okay? If you're willing to do that no matter what, if you're willing to succeed no matter what, you will succeed. But you need to be part of that group. Okay? And let's see if I am going to give a tip match to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Well, yeah, that was okay. Seriously, you know, look, honestly, there's nothing revolutionary in affiliate marketing magic. It's a solid course. It's going to get you started, but it's not going to help you if you don't try, if you don't actually put in the effort. You put in the effort, it's going to help you. So go ahead and grab this one. It's only 10 bucks. You're going to get the income formula as well from me. And if you already have the income formula, you'll have the option to pick something else. Grab this one. This one is worth it. If you're actually going to put in the effort, it's going to work, but you got to put in the effort. Don't be part of the 95%. Don't be part of the 90%. Okay, be part of the 10% of the 5%, and then you're going to be able to make this work.